You'll need some tools. You'll need 2 1/2-inch wrenches, 1 5/16 driver. We like to use a power driver to make it easier, as well as 50 feet of 3/8-inch nylon rope that you will need to provide. In the first box, you will receive the float platform, and in the second box, you will receive the pump assembly along with the stainless steel debris shield and screws. To start our assembly, we'll need to remove the 2 bolts from the top of the float platform and set aside. Place the pump assembly in an upright position with the power cord at the bottom, then place the float platform with the lettering side facing up over the pump assembly. You'll notice that there are 4 holes in the pump assembly to accommodate light kits, but we'll be using just the 2 that align with the pump assembly. Insert 1 bolt through each side and fasten with a washer and lock nut. You'll need 2 1/2-inch wrenches to tighten each side. Just be careful not to over-tighten the bolts, as the float assembly should still have some play to move back and forth in the water. Once the float platform is secured, go ahead and flip the entire assembly upside down. Take the stainless steel debris shield and position it over the pump assembly. Align the 3 pre-drilled holes. Fasten with the 3 self-tapping screws with your 5/16 power driver until tight. Tie a 25-foot section of 3/8-inch nylon rope to each eyelet located on the sides of the pump housing. I'm using a bowline knot here, but a good double knot will work just fine as well. Once assembly is complete, you'll want to secure the ropes on each side to a concrete block, 25 feet off each side at a 45-degree angle, and you'll get your plug and put it into a GFCI outlet, and you are ready to enjoy your fountain. Thank you very much from Scott Aerator.